myself bought a jet, so you know you should know, like you know.
You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up. You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up. You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up.
My
Big up.
pilots are here though.
That was my dream.
Hello, and welcome to another section of our Face This Trends. I go by the name Raphael. SM boss Shatta Wale in some SCA. Me nkaso de SCA, but I'm saying I have yanko. During the fly from Ghana to Jamaica to perform at Vibes Cattle Freedom concert, you know. Or what Jamaican or ye interview be on the Jamaican blogger be interview be. And a blogger no bisa and say, Wale, what private jet? Because I want to go private jet will be Ghana to even go Kumasi for interviews, no, and I say for promotion of life private jets from Accra to Kumasi. But Onyan confirm me say private jets no one there because they did go because artists are home abuchi cross the video mo western mo mudi go even the parents akoy conference. Oh, DJ Khaled we cross mo mudi go private jets on what has here. Shatta Wale dey go here until you mean say any dia na. Now, during that interview, no, and not confirm say na SM boss member private jet. Na even come a person ka okra that also be remake some private jet na interview. Same day okay. You go to some Shatta Wale kan. The buy better us.
Make an update you. In Mobe, you got 18 private jet and the runway. Vibes Cartel do that shit. You understand me?
Yeah.
Got the hotel them sold out,
Yeah,
everything.
We heard that.
This the name Vibes Cartel Holiday now. Yeah, December the 31st the name Vibes Cartel Holiday. You agree?
Yeah, I agree that.
Yeah.
No, because you know if private jets can come on the runway like that,
Yeah.
then it's real, you know.
Yeah.
Jamaica needs to give him that honor, you know, because you know it's a historic, you know, moment for Vice Cartel and for him to have all these jets, you know, land, you know. I myself bought a jet, so you know you should know, like you know.
You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up. You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up. You have a jet?
Yeah.
Big up.
My
Big up.
pilots are here though.
That was my dream. That was my dream to buy
No, one day me and you will sit in a jet together, you know. Still do another interview like this.
No problem, man. Really, man.
Why can't
Come on, jet clothes them too, you know.
Yeah,
There's some jet clothes on my yard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, them clothes on my jet clothes them. I have a jet clothes them for put on.
Oh yeah.
And I have a jet ring and the jet chain. You have a jet different dog about the jet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a jet different.
Yeah.
But anyway, still, you know the truth is real. And I'm there with Shatta Wale. I'm gonna show the whole party. Look when they are Freedom Street, I'm gonna perform. I'm gonna show the performance. You see, so I could talk with me and him. You see, I'm gonna show whole heap of love, whole heap of respect to the whole team. You see, big up the general, I said, the manager.
Yeah.
They say, yo, not today. We come back.
That's Julio, man. Big up
Yeah,
Julio.
yeah, we not doing no interview. We sorry. We come back to you. I can talk.
When the confirmation SM boss Shatta Wale confirm me about the private jet na O2 out to kono eto because even ka oko Jamaica no O2 private jet na call e wan go fa normal commercial flight ni O2 private jet. SM boss n dey na sin ka ba no ho pa because private jet to Rolls-Royce Lamborghini dey use say anu odin. How am I next to this? But you say no first time channel so subscribe be. Don't like, you know, leave a comment. Till me next time. Adios.